Searching for the top hot air gun soldering stations in 2025? If you want to repair circuit boards, older SMD components, or assemble electronic projects at a level, then a reliable hot air rework station will be indispensable. To make selecting the best station simpler, we will take you through the 5 best-selling and highest-rated hot air soldering stations with precise temperature control, rapid heat-up, and multifunctional design. Let's start the video.
And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the latest picks.
At number 5. Bakon Soldering and Rework Station 2-in-1. The 2-in-1 hot air soldering station is a precise powerhouse. With one huge LED display, you have complete control of the 550W hot air gun and 90W soldering iron, with their own independent controls. The heating is quick, stable temperature control from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, auto sleep, and cooling. This air gun soldering station offers professionals alike easy and efficient repairs on QFPs, SOPs, PLCC chips, etc. It will work with the pro level, and the compact size is ideal for all serious electronics technicians. At number 4. Silverflow 8586D Soldering Station. The 8586D 2 Hot Air Rework Station is a pro-level tool with 750W power, smooth brushless airflow, and a temperature range up to 480 degrees Celsius for both hot air and soldering. It features digital calibration, a 10-minute smart sleep mode, and ultra-low noise at just 45 dB. The rotating wind tunnel ensures consistent heat, and its smart warming tech protects components and extends tool life. Ideal for precise electronics repair. At number 3. AIFEN A9E Soldering Station. A 160W powerhouse soldering station with lightning-fast heat-up in just 2 seconds and 1 second temp recovery. It supports 115, 210, and 245 handles, all easy to swap with its universal design. 3 memory keys let you save your preferred temps, while the LED display, cleaning tools, and precision controls make this a pro's dream for fast, efficient soldering. At number 2. Sugan T2100W Soldering Station. This is a powerhouse built for both industrial heavy-duty and precision soldering. Equipped with the C470 series heating core and compatible with T245 and T210 handles, it handles everything from large joints to delicate PCB work. Features like automatic core recognition, 3 memory temps, fast temp recovery, and a tool-free core swap system make it ultra-efficient. Plus, the adjustable bracket and ergonomic design ensure comfort and flexibility in any setup. At number 1. Sugan T21 Soldering Station. Looking for fast, precise soldering? The Sugan T21 delivers. With just 2 seconds to melt tin, this digital soldering station features programmed chip temperature control for lightning-fast heat-up and pinpoint accuracy. It supports 210, 115, and 245 handles, with 245 and 210 offering handle control. Enjoy smart features like auto sleep, temp compensation, short circuit protection, and 4 standby presets. The adjustable handle bracket and built-in copper wire brush add convenience. Ideal for beginners and pros alike.